I'm going to be honest with you. In the last 6 years, my home has had some serious downtime where it wasn't protected by anything, and in place of a water monitor, there was a spacer. I had 4 Flo Technologies and Flo by Moen devices installed from April 2019 to September 2020. 4 Phyn Plus devices were installed from November 2020 to September 2023. On the good side, at least this happened to me and not you. And with a YouTube channel dedicated to this, I will keep you informed of what works and what does not. You don't have to learn the hard and expensive way. Consider subscribing. Are there preventative measures that we could have done? Yes, and we did some of them. In placing shade over these devices, I learned I need to take even more drastic measures next time. This was 100% caused by living in Arizona, where our plumbing is coming in outside with a south-facing location that is hot year-round. But this represents a pretty good population in the Southwest United States where this is a real issue. This is a bigger deal when you consider insurance mandates that people are starting to discuss online. Over 2 years ago, I took down all of my Moen Flo and Phyn Plus videos. This was a big mistake. And there are some pretty big follow-on impacts because a lot has changed in the last couple of years. First, this was a disservice to you because there's very limited information, detailed information on these types of devices. Second, the companies aren't benefiting because no videos means no newly educated buyers are buying these products. And third, I sure as heck didn't benefit. You all give great feedback and ask great questions, and those really do help other people that are reading the comments. However, should someone be promoting a product when they don't actually have it installed on their own home? Which isn't entirely a true statement, because my last Flo by Moen protected someone else's house for 3.5 years, and that carries a lot of weight. I need to explain how amazing this was on so many levels in a follow-on video. I have been working with the companies, giving them feedback the last 5 years. I got a chance to speak with a program manager at Moen Flo, and they said that they had improved their product. So at this point in time, I'm willing to try it out again. Companies in the space like Phyn are constantly improving their products and services. We look forward to seeing what they come up with soon. In light of the different issues over the years and just plain the differences in how these devices act, I've really come around to appreciate what FloLogic is offering in their device. Pretty much, that means that my husband and I will need to sit down, plan, and figure out how we're going to install all 3 of these products with possibly a few more all together so we can get some real head-to-head testing, the latest and greatest version of each device. Again, consider subscribing because that is going to be epic. In the meantime, I will be putting all of the videos back up, and each one of those is going to point to this video that you see right here, because a video from 4 years ago is not really reflective of what's going on right now. The hidden cost video definitely needs a 2.0 version because there are some huge considerations that are very different in today's marketplace. Likewise, some of the leak comparison videos on how fast Flo and Phyn catches leaks, those are a little irrelevant with the different leak sensors that are on the market today. There are some big changes, and I can't wait to share them all with you. I will put the updated video of the hidden costs on these water monitors right here when it comes out. See you there.